Oh. Oh, uh-huh.
Turn around and show your fin. Red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark.
Wow.
Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red
Whoa.
shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Yeah.
Red shark, shark, shark.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Excellent!
Hey, girl.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello, dear friends. We're visiting the amusement park today. Doesn't it look exciting? Look at all those colors. And there are fun games to play and lots of cool rides to try. Are you ready to play? Today will be so much fun. Yay! Thanks for driving us, Mr. Turtle. Come on, everyone. We're here. Coming, Daddy! Peppa, hurry up! We finally made it! Look, Rex, all our friends are here. Mr. Turtle, will you join us too? I can't today. I'll be back later to pick everyone up. Drive safely, Mr. Turtle! See you later! I will go buy the tickets. Wait here. I know. Let's do the new ball pits first. Yeah, they're extra special here. They have surprises inside. And candy. Gerald, you should go check it out. That sounds like a great idea. We better go now, before a lineup starts. Come on, Sky, let's hurry up. I want to try everything they have at the park. But I like the sound of yummy candy, too. We have colorful candy and sprinkles. The candy will go in this bowl. Just look at all the pretty colors. Oh yeah, this is the coolest thing ever. I'm surrounded by giant treats. Look, there's more. Watch your head, George. These candies are really big. Okay, it's my turn. I wonder what kind of treats I'll get to play in. It's a lot of pretty sprinkles. There's gold ones, pink ones, crowns, and stars. And here comes some more, Sky. Hope you're ready. Oh, this is so much better than a ball pit. I just hope I'm not dreaming. Does anyone want to join me? It'll be even more fun with friends. Here I come. Cannonball. What's it like over there, Sky? It's like I'm swimming in a treasure chest. There are so many cool things to find. Did you find any prizes over there? Well, there's something under my feet. I wonder what it could be. Let me check. Wow! I found a skateboard. I'm gonna try it out. Watch me do some tricks. Whoa, it's so fast I can do a wheelie and a spin. Oh, I found something too. What is it? It's a beautiful pink purse. It matches my outfit perfectly. I'm so lucky. Yippee. Let's see what I get, huh? I found something. All right. Look, it's a boot. A boot? Wait, I don't want a boring old boot. That's an awful prize. Meh. Oh, Peggy, don't be sad. It's just for fun. Some of the prizes are meant to be silly. That's right, and you can still have fun surrounded by all that colorful candy. Swim around in it, just like me. Yeah, candy's better than boots. They're having so much fun without me. I think I'll play a little trick on them. Hey guys, did you hear that? It sounded like someone bad was laughing. Don't be silly, it was nothing. Oh, it was something, all right. What are they going to do when all their candy is gone? Will they cry? Will they leave? Well, they won't have so much fun, will they? There is only one way to find that out. Abracadabra, hocus pocus, boom! Ta-ta! Bye-bye, candy. Hello, green goo. Ew. What happened to our candy pit? It's green and gooey? How can we get out? Help! Someone help us! Hurry, Rex. Those kids are in trouble. Okay, Tracker, but I'll need your help. Let's do this. Oh, look, someone's coming. Hurry, the slime is so icky and smells like cabbage. This colorful block will help. I'll push it over here. Do you have the springboard, Tracker? Here it is. We can use it to jump on the block. It'll make it easier for us. You're right. Thanks. Here I go. I made it. All right, kids, you're gonna be okay. I'm here to help, but I need you to swim towards me. Now, carefully climb over the edge. You can do it. Keep trying. Good job. You're safe now. You were very brave. Hop down, and I'll help the others. Here I come. Thank you, Rex. Okay then, who's next? I'm scared. It's okay. Just jump and jump. You did it. Well done. Come on, Peggy. You're the last one. This is kind of fun. Ouch! Are you okay, Rex? I'm fine, thanks. Luckily, I didn't fall far. And now, everyone's safe. We're a great team. High five. But what are we going to do about that icky green slime? We want all that candy back. Yeah, no one wants to swim in that. It's sticky and stinky and yucky and gross. I wonder if anyone can change it back. Well, there is a wizard in the park. Maybe we can ask him for some help. Let's go! Hi, Mr. Wizard. Did you hear about our problem? Of course, Rex. I know and see all. You've been slimed by Jack-O-Lantern. To change it back, you need to play this game and win. You just have to get all the balls in the baskets. But it won't be easy. Oh, look! These springboards might be useful. They will help you shoot the balls nice and high. Like this. Here we go! Oh, that looks easy. I'll go first. Well, it is harder than it looks. Just be patient and try to focus. It is important not to rush, and you'll get what you need. Good luck. Thank you. Actually, I'm good at basketball. I'll place the ball in the hole right here. Next, I need to aim well and then pull the springboard down. I might need some help here. All right. 3, 2, 1, Gerald shoots. And misses. Oh no, it is really hard. We'll need to work as a team. I think I know what to do. I'll put the ball here just like you did. What next? Oh yeah, then I pull the board down, and here it goes. I got it! Well done, Peppa. We have to do that 8 more times. Now everyone just take a turn. Wish me luck. 3, 2, 1, and go! I scored! My turn! It's working! I'm going to try on my own. Alley-oop! Hooray! Gerald did it! We'll do it together. Come on, Pandora. I know we can do it. Now we just have to aim and shoot. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes! We won the game! Well done, everyone. I am very impressed with all of you. By working together, you were able to win. And look, the slime is gone now. We got the candy back. I love all the pretty colors. There's blue and red and yellow and orange. And no more icky green slime. What's everyone waiting for? Let's have more fun. Whee! Cannonball! Yay! It's nice to have everything back to normal. I'm so proud of you all. Watch my new trick, a jump and a slide. This is so much fun! Well, friends, it's almost time for the park to close for the night. Grab some candy and get ready for your ride back home. I hope you had a lot of fun, kids. It's great when you can hang out with your friends and all the people you love. Maybe we can come back tomorrow and play some more. That would be really awesome. Thanks for playing with me today, dear friends. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more adventures. Bye-bye.
Brown paper bag, glue the bottom and start rolling the bag into a pizza crust. Let it dry and then cut the bag into a triangle shape. Paint the tomato sauce onto your pizza slice. I'm using red paint. I've made lots of pizza toppings by cutting coloured card into shapes. Cheese, mushrooms, olives, pepperoni, pineapple, ham, and onion. But you can make anything you like. What's your favourite topping? Then stick your toppings to the pizza. Finally, I've made some olives by hole punching small circles of black card. First, fold a large piece of card in half and carefully cut a wiggly shape like this, rounding off the corners to create elephant ears. Glue these to the back of the paper bag like this. Then use lots of paper and card shapes for the elephant's mouth, tusks, trunk and feet. Fold the trunk shape over on itself, back and forth, Now stick everything onto your elephant. And add extra detail with a pen. Once you've added a big elephant smile, you're done. Elephantastic!